Hello friend, good to see you. Today I'm on dark and young country. I'm out here at Ourimbah State Forest. I've just pulled up near the mountain bike park here, and Ben and I are going to go for a bit of a cruise through and just have a look around. I need to try and find a big campsite for Clean Up Australia Day. See, I got to Get Your Paj Out meet, which by the time you're watching this would have happened yesterday, and by the time you're watching it today, we would be on Clean Up Australia Day. So part of the Get Your Paj Out meet, I'm trying to encourage the boys to come out and help out with all that as well. So yeah, I need to find a campsite big enough for all of us. Stick with us, let's go and have a bit of fun and explore some of Ourimbah. I haven't done much exploring around here, so it should be all new for me and all new for you.
That's not that one.
No way. That's a straight tree.
Okay.
Get a piece of wood and check the water.
I'll grab the shovel.
Got a stick underneath, give me a second.
Oh yeah.
Under mine or under yours?
Under mine.
Oh. For a second I thought Mick was stuck.
Nearly didn't.
I thought she was going down. My bash plate's copped a hiding going through that.
Pretty sure my front bash plate tanked on the way in too.
Well, this probably would have made a perfect camp for us. Plenty of room, nice and open, plenty of sun, room to have a fire. Damn you, forestry, why?
Why is it that one drops? I farted.
What, did you shit yourself?
No, I farted. And I was saying,
Because he's going to go over there. Just watch.
No, Nathaniel, he can't go that side. It's too hot. Oh, did you see that?
So if you're wondering where the Kluger came from, when we were looking at the power lines back there, we saw him come down, and as we're cruising along the road, he was following along. And we just said to him, look, if you want to continue on, we'll make sure that you're okay and that you get through and everything. Thought to myself, maybe it might come in handy for some recovery video footage. But yeah, this thing's bloody eating it up. I'm actually really surprised about the little Kluger. It's doing really well.
Is this where we're eating?
Yeah.
Yeah, I put the camera on so you've got to act like a fool.
I don't know, it's a different family.
Doesn't belong here.
Yeah. It belongs with that small table.
Sure.
It belongs with that small table.
Alrighty, so we've just had a bit of lunch down at Archer's Campground. Nice little spot. Definitely wouldn't mind staying there one night. And I've just filmed a campground walk around video on it too, so keep your eye out for that one. Now we're going to get out and back onto the main roads, head back through Yarramalong and jump on the freeway, head up to Freemans Waterhole to the 4-wheel drive playground. Going to do a bit of filming up there for a recovery video, and yeah, we're just going to have a bit of a look around and a bit of a play up there as well. So that'll be a bit more of this video, and yeah, again, make sure you subscribe to watch the recovery one. Alright, I'm going to shut up and keep driving. I'll have to get mine. Yeah, I've got my tin.
Mick, you've got to put your hand in for the back door.
That went south very quickly.
Yep, told you.
Glad it wasn't me. You know, that key point.
Yeah. The one you just stepped straight into.
Yeah.
I'll have to come further.
Yeah, well, you've got the rocks and that on there, so hook yours up and come forward.
After when you guys look up, I'm going far away because I know how these things can launch.
No, this is not so strong.
Ah! You're so strong! Come on, dunk your head under! Wrong gonna do what?
Alright, take up slack. Alright, and neutral or drive, assess the winch. Left throttle, left throttle. Pretty sure my hubs are locked in.
Maybe. I don't know.
Want me to double check?
We'll find out soon. There they are. Going to come in. Back end's going, lifting. Well guys, that's it from us at Freemans Waterhole. It was a bit of fun. Bash plates wanting to fall off the car again, like bloody usual. Always something wrong, and it was getting a bit warm a couple of times there, so yeah, definitely got to look into a couple of things. But we had a lot of fun. Got to use the winch finally, which was great. Even though I probably could have driven that, yeah, still good to use the winch. Ben got nice and bogged as you saw, and yeah, we had fun. Alright guys, if you've liked this one, please remember to leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Yamma Bujiri Murugu. Walk a good path. Yano. Goodbye.